welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks on Procreate. These are some cool things that you need to maybe know when you're first using Procreate. I love that Procreate and I think you will too. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to create a canvas that will give you better quality when you're exporting your artwork. So, most people do screen size canvas, but I'm going to show you guys another canvas that will make it better quality. So let me show you. Okay, so when you first open the app, this is what it will look like. I have some art on here already. This is all my art, but this is just going to stay here. I'm not going to touch any of this because like when you first open the app and you just download it, you'll see like the other art pieces that other people have created. I deleted those. I don't need those anymore, but I have these ones. So you're going to need a stylus. So I do not have an Apple Pencil, but I do have this other stylus pen. I love the stylus pen and I think it works amazing. So let's open it. So I've already used this pen a lot, but this is what it looks like. You just charge it and then to turn it on, you just tap the back and it turns blue. There's this where you charge it, and it does not like click like as a magnet like with other ones. It is a bit different than other apps, but I love this pen. I think it is amazing. So I'll put a link in the description box below where you guys can purchase this. Real quick, this pen only works with newer iPads. You will see in the link below where you can purchase it, and that will show what iPads it works with. So it does not work on every iPad, but it does work on this one. This is the iPad 6. So we're going to just start drawing. I'll show you some tips now. Okay, so to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to press this plus button in the corner. Then you're going to, instead of clicking screen size, there's this corner button right here. So on the right side, you're going to press that. And on DPI, you're going to make sure that is 300. And that will just give you better quality. You can change your maximum layers, width, height, whatever. But I like to just create it like this, and this will give you like a square type of canvas, and this when you export it will turn into better quality. So that is one thing you can do. So now let's get on to Procreate tip part 2. So the second tip is how to do the animation part with this. So what I'm going to start by clicking is clicking the actions button, and you'll see add, canvas, share, video, preferences, and help. So I'm going to click canvas. And right down here, you'll see Animation Assist. I'm going to turn that on. And here, you will see, you'll see like you can add a frame, right? So what you would do is, I like to start on the first frame. So go to your layers, and every single layer you add, every single frame you add, it also adds to layers. So I'm going to delete that one. And I'm going to draw like, let's say a heart. It's a bad heart, but let's see, that was my heart. I'm going to now go here, and I'm going to click add frame, right? Then I would draw like, I could draw like a heart again, and then like, yeah, I could draw a heart again, right? Then I could add frame, and then draw maybe a circle, like that. So then you would play it. See, it like animates it to make it look like really cool. So now it's playing for a little bit. And now we're gonna pause it. So that is my second tip. You can add as like many types as you want, as drawings as you want. You can add as many frames as you want to, just as many maximum layers you added for your when you created the canvas. So let's get on to the tip 3. So my next tip is how to create a mandala. So what we're going to do is we're going to press that same button in the corner, actions, and you're going to go to canvas again. Then you're going to click turn on drawing guide. I'm going to turn off animate and turn on drawing guide. So after you turn on your drawing guide, you're going to go back there and click edit drawing guide. Then you're going to go to symmetry, and you're going to go to your options, and you're going to click radial. Then you're going to click done. And now anything you draw, it will add. So you can create a bunch of these. These are really fun to create at like whatever time you have in the day. You can just sit down and draw these. So let's get on to the next tip. My next tip or trick is reference. So reference, basically you would click here in that same button in actions. Then you're going to turn on reference. And then you can just drag that to the side. So basically now whatever you draw, it will copy onto there. Reference is sometimes used if you want to like, and you can also add an image. And if you want to add an image, you can basically, like if you're trying to draw an image, you can add that there, so then it will be in the corner, and then you can just draw whatever you would like. Okay, Okay, so right here, after going from canvas, I just clicked image. Sorry. I just clicked image, and then I imported an image from my photos. And now, if you want to, you can basically just try drawing that image. So you could draw basically that image, however you would like. So let's get on to my next tip. Okay, let's get on to our last tip of the day. So have you ever got a nice canvas and then realized it wasn't the right size and you wanted to change it without going out? This is what you do. You press that same button, you go to actions, and then you press crop and resize. After you crop and resize, you can make it whatever size you would want. If I was going to click that, I would just go crop and resize again, and then I could just make it whatever size I would want. See? That is now a smaller canvas. And yeah, it's really that easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!